It's your second birthday. Open it up. You're full of fun and on the go. It's wonderful to watch you grow. And now you're with
Go over there. Open the gift. Open the box, Cutter. Kennedy, get out of the way, honey.
Here, hold on. Let me look at that. Cutter, look.
Oh,
Cutter, look.
you know what that is?
Open it up.
It's your very own Dino Towel!
Cutter, look.
Now we can have 2 dinosaurs running around after bath.
It's yours, Cutter. Turn around. That's your dino.
Turn around and say, rah!
Come here. Put your hands in. Right here. Put your hands in. You're going to do a roar for Impa? Look.
Say thank you. Can you say thank you? Oh, thank you.
Look,
What's
Cutter.
that?
Cutter. Oh, yeah.
Oh, what's that?
It looks like more dinosaurs.
Let's see.
Kennedy, you have to sit back. This is Cutter's, okay?
More dinosaurs.
Pull it open.
Whoa. Dinosaur puzzles. Woo woo. Cutter, say thank you, Impa.
Impa. Okay, say Impa.
What's opening?
Say thank
Hold
you,
on,
Impa,
we'll put it on the
Daddy.
table up there. Thank you.
See you soon.
See you soon. Happy birthday.